Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We are here at InfoComm 2015 in Orlando. Going to be the biggest InfoComm show ever, it appears. And I'm here with Neil Gaydon. Neil Gaydon is the president and CEO of Smart Technologies. You know Smart. First of all, good morning, Neil.
Hi, good to see you, Gary.
Good to see you. I saw you last at ISE, and you were sort of alluding to some secret development stuff you're working on. And I was fortunate enough to know and get a demo of that secret project just a minute ago, which is the Smart Kapp IQ. Tell me about it.
So building on the work that we did with Kapp, which we launched last year, Kapp was the reinvention of the dry erase board, the ability just to walk up and use, write on with any normal pen, and then it will repeat on any single device that, as I hunt for my device in my pocket, on any device anywhere in the world. So
and it's bidirectional.
And so the good thing is with Kapp is that it's very low cost, very simple, no IT, no involvement. When I write on it, I can see on my device. What we felt customers would really like, if that wasn't good enough, was the ability to not only write one way, but to write multi-ways. Not just bidirectional, but actually multi-way. So Kapp IQ that you can see behind us here is exactly that. So what we've done, as we redesigned and reimagined the dry erase board, we've now done the same for the display. So this is a 4K display. You can use it for all your PowerPoint, your YouTubes, or whatever you want to do with it, but it does something incredibly magical, which is just in the same way, connect your device as you do with Kapp, which is a QR code you can see in the corner of the screen. You connect it up, you write on Kapp IQ, and it appears on your device. But then something incredibly magical happens because I can write on my device, and not only does it appear on the board, it appears on everybody else's device that's also in the same session.
Right, and what's neat about that is if it's device agnostic. You can, whatever device they have in the room or whatever device they have in the meeting, it's appearing on there.
Exactly. I think that what's happened is that people in companies have shifted to mobile devices, but it's as if the industry hasn't noticed. So what Smart has done has begun to make actually displays and dry erase boards peripherals to the phone and the mobile device. And that is a completely different set of thinking to what you'll see on most of the floor here, which requires complex installation, complex support from IT. This, you literally hang it on the wall, you plug it in, there is no IT integration. Once you connect your phone, now you have the IT approved device, and now you can simply share. This device also is beautiful because when you walk in the room, it has a little sensor, powers up automatically, becomes the perfect whiteboard, never runs out of ink, never runs out of space, and you can immediately connect and share. So that is amazing thinking. I think that what you're starting to see from Smart now is what's taken a couple of years of hard work from myself and the team to build a new platform for Smart for the future, and we think for the industry, simple walk up and use, multi-way sharing, no IT integration.
And eliminating the complexity, the QR code concept, and the fact that you're, I guess, multi-point sharing simultaneously. Those are three great features. I want to change gears just a little bit. So now it's been a while since you've been shipping the Smart Kapp, and it's been a central focus for your company, which was a shift from where Smart was founded and was built on. So how's that gone? I mean, that had to have been a little bit of culture shock, but also distribution shock and manufacturing shock and marketing shock and all.
So Kapp continues to garner all sorts of awards from around the world. Amazing reactions to anybody who gets it. And I can't tell you the name of the company, but one company, they bought 100 of them. They say they will never, ever buy a whiteboard ever again, having now used them and worked with them. We had a bit of a slow start on manufacturing, so we've been ramping up, and that was on my last earnings call. So we're through that now. We now have full volume coming through of Kapp, and so as distribution is starting to widen, as we're getting to more people, we're starting to get an amazing reaction. We've got about 20,000 on backlog already, so it's going in the right direction. We've got a lot of work to do in the next year to really embed that as the game-changing product that it is.
Well, I congratulate you because it's gotten a tremendous amount of exposure. In fact, your company won an award, a Reader's Choice Award, so I congratulate you for that. And it was, interestingly enough, it's for your influence in social media in our industry, which shows how diverse your company is and how successful you've been, not just on the product side, but on the service side, which is what that recognizes, your ability to communicate with your actual customers.
Well, thank you. And what we're pleased about now is that the building of the kapp was actually a platform. It was the first time the companies really had a platform as such. So from the hard work and heavy lifting we did over 18 months, that's what's given birth to Kapp IQ, which gives us that multi-way. So if you look at what the range of products that the Now Smart offers the market is replacement for your dry erase board and flip chart, replacement for your boring old display or complicated display to something really simple and profound and easy to use. And we also have our room system for Microsoft Link for those that do want to be integrated with CorpNet, want to offer video, want to offer it through Microsoft Link. So we can pretty much wire up anybody now for whatever they need with beautiful, simple to use product.
Well, I congratulate you. You got a great team. You're doing a great job, obviously. I know that they're happy to have you on board, and I congratulate you for a great new product. I wish I would have known a little bit more about this ahead of time, but I'm excited that we're one of the first to actually see it. Of course, we're going to go around the booth now, and we're going to shoot videos on all the products that are launched here at the Smart Technologies booth. So all you got to do is type SMART in the video search window, or type in SMART in the window in the top of the screen. You'll see all the stories we've written, because I wrote a story this morning about the brand new IQ product as well. So thanks for watching. Neil, thank you very much for your time this morning. I appreciate it. Have a great show.
Yes.
And this is just the beginning. We got a long way to go. We've got, I think, maybe 15 or 20 interviews just today alone. So keep watching, keep paying attention, and thanks for your time this morning.